Chile shaken by 7.1 size shudder. No significant harm revealed. Reuters. By Rosalba O'Brien. Santiago. A noteworthy tremor of extent 7.1 struck off the west shoreline of Chile on Monday, shaking the capital Santiago and quickly causing alert along the Pacific coast, however not delivering any genuine damage. The shake was focused 22 miles 35 kilometers west of the seaside city of Valparaiso at a shallow profundity of 6.2 miles 10 kilometers beneath the ocean, and around 85 miles 137 kilometers from Santiago. The U.S. Topographical Survey said. It was short yet intense, said Paloma Salamo, a 26-year-old medical caretaker, who was in a center in Villa del Mar, only north of Valparaiso, when the shudder struck. People came up short on the office conveying youngsters and some set out toward the slopes when the wave alert sounded, she stated. Yet quiet was soon re-established. Authorities scratched off a tidal wave cautioning that had been issued in Valparaiso after the Chilean Navy and the Pacific Tsunami Warning Center said the tremor was not anticipated that would create a perilous seismic ocean wave. The middle detailed little wave influxes of a large portion of a foot 15 centimeters. There were no reports of auxiliary harm in Valparaiso, yet cell phone systems were down in a few places, a representative with the neighborhood government in Valparaiso said. We have no reports of casualties or huge harm. There have been a few avalanches in a few spots, without real entanglements, said Interior Minister Mario Fernandez. In general the circumstance is entirely typical, remembering the shake's force. Chile's state-run Codelco, one of the biggest copper mining organizations on the planet, said its operations were unaffected. Old English American, which has copper operations in Focal, Chile, likewise said operations were typical. An extent 7.1 tremor is viewed as major and is fit for causing across-the-board and substantial harm. Yet the impacts of this one would have been tempered in light of the fact that it was seaward. A few delayed repercussions, including two of extents 5.0 and 5.4, were recorded in a similar spot and could be felt in Santiago, some portion of a bunch of tremors from that range as of late. Chile, situated on the supposed Pacific Ring of Fire, has a long history of lethal shakes, including a 8.8 extent shudder in 2010 off the South Focal Drift, which additionally set off a tidal wave that crushed beachfront towns. More than 500 individuals kicked the bucket.